Now we're going to run through the angles 1 through 8 using the Witik, which is a half strike or bounce back strike. Now prior to this, you were working on the through strikes or the Loptik, which will help you to increase your power. Now we're going to work on speed. Now these blocks and strikes will be done a little bit differently than what you're used to up to this point, but they will increase your speed, timing, and reflexes to an incredible level. Now, it will be helpful to have a partner for these drills. If you don't, go ahead and set up your tire station and practice on that. Now, most of this should be pretty easy for you at this point. You should have been working on your angles 1 through 9 and the footwork prior to this level. Now here, all we're doing is shortening the strikes. This will help you to vastly increase your speed and reflexes. Now here I'm simply showing the blocks as they would look during your solo training. Now some of these blocks are going to be a little bit different, but remember I did tell you earlier that we would be adding blocks as time went on. The blocks that you are seeing here are much more compact and efficient, but feel free to use any of the blocks that you've learned so far. Now go ahead and practice these and get used to it, and then I'm going to show you how to put this together with your partner in a drill.